What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Angele Altieri and welcome to the video. Today we have a sneaker unboxing. Trying to make sure my government isn't showing on camera. Today's the Jordan unboxing, which I have yet to do, even though I've only done 2 unboxings before. And I literally just picked this up from my local FedEx drop-off, aka Doinery / Walgreens. And yeah, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, please. Oh my God, might have gotten a cardboard cut. So yeah, we're unboxing this together. Oh my gosh. Here they are. Okay, wow. All right, so let's just take note. I don't see my receipt. There was no bubble, like, airbag, no bubble wrap, nothing, no extra paper to protect the box. Nike, let's talk about it, because my box is over here crazy in there. I don't appreciate that. Here's the sneakers. Today is February 10th. I purchased these sneakers. Actually, when did I purchase these sneakers? I don't know, because I don't have a receipt. Okay, so I purchased these sneakers Friday, February 7th. They don't come out until Saturday, February 15th, which is this weekend coming up. Today is February 10th. So I did get these shoes almost a week in advance. These are one of the many All-Star Weekend releases. These are the Nike, let me get the name right. These are the Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. Again, All-Star Weekend release that I got early. If you're not early, you're late. Period. Michael Jordan, because creator of Jordan brand, went to University of North Carolina, UNC, for college, and he played many of seasons on the Chicago Bulls. Which is where we get the UNC to Chicago. Spit facts, because that's all we do. Spit facts on this side. Ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Oh. All right, let me be honest. I don't know if I'm keeping this shoe, so I don't know if you'll get on feeds. If you got an on feed footage from me, I kept them. If you didn't, I sold them. Do I want these? All right. Hear me out. Do I need another pair of sneakers necessarily? No. I do really want Easy basketballs that are coming out on All-Star Weekend this weekend. So, like, do I need these? Do you hear my stomach? Do I need these? No. Do I like these? I do. I think I do. What really gets me is the red toe box, because I've been dying for bread ones. I don't want to get my phone in. I've been dying for bread ones, and this is what you would see from a bird's eye view wearing your bread ones. It would look like this. So I really like that. So the red colors represent Chicago. This is the UNC blue, represents UNC. You get it. Great. But yeah, my favorite Jordan silhouette, hands down, by far, is the ones. Many colors I wouldn't wear, many colorways I would wear and buy. This is something I would keep. Should I keep it? No, like I shouldn't keep it. I shouldn't keep it. I know. This shoe is technically a women's Jordan, so the sizing goes by women's sizing. In most sneakers, I wear a women's 6.5, which is a men's 5, maybe even men's 5.5, women's 7. That's if the shoe is very constrictive, like there's not a lot of give in the material and it's very hard, sturdy. Like this has, I don't want to get crazy, but this does have a little bit of give in the material with my Jordan 1s, and I think only with my Jordan 1s do I wear a women's 6 and a men's 4.5, which is a men's 4.5. Yeah. Women's 6 gives you the colorway, Falco, all that. Red box, if you did notice, Jordan 1s used to be in a black box, red lettering. Now it's the inverse. I don't like the box, rather black box, but I mean, I don't work at Jordan, so what can I do? Yeah, if you're a lady out there trying to get these sneakers, then definitely go with your size. I don't know if they're true to size, considering I do size down half, but that's just because I've been used to my Jordan 1s being a 4.5, and if I get the 5 in men's sizing, I could tell it looks big and I don't like it. That's why I get a 4.5. They are true to size. Get your size. If you're a guy watching, then take your size and add 1.5. That is your women's size. Yeah. Okay. If you look into the shoe, we have leather as always, buttery, super buttery, red bottom. So we have Air Jordan, blue check, red accent, black laces. Let me check. Oh, there's a surprise inside. Yeah, wow. I don't see another lace set. I feel like I've seen pictures online with white laces, but that just could be people's personal white laces. But wow, we got a little tag. I haven't had Jordans with a tag. Because mind you, I usually get like a children's size or grade school size because my feet are so small, unless a sneaker is a women's release sneaker, like a women's sizing. But yeah, grade school Jordans, we don't get the same luxuries as adult X Jordans. But we have this tag. This is on the right shoe. It smells good. This is why I can't buy shoes in my size. This is what the shoes look like side by side. They're pretty cute. Pretty freaking cute. Can't lie. The toe box is what gets me, dog. Like, I want to look down and see that toe box on my feet. I just do. Just do. What I cop, yes, I did cop. Right now, my size 6 is going for about $240, $230. Like GOAT StockX pricing. So I'm pretty sure they'll go up after everyone takes a bunch of L's. After All-Star Weekend, the price would probably most definitely go up. They are ones typically go up in value, because they're just a classic silhouette. So if you get your hands on them because you want them, go for it. Or if you want to sell them, go for it. These are definitely a drip for me. If we're doing some, what's that show called? Oh, full size run. If we're talking like some full size run type shit, this is definitely a drip in terms of flip, drip, or skip. This is a drip. Might have to flip, but it's a drip. Might have to flip. But it's like, all right, so that's the end of this video. I need to take a nap. I've been up since 10:30. I've been up since 6 because I had an 8 a.m. class today. Senior year 8 a.m. class. But yeah, that's my unboxing and first impressions, I guess, of the, again, how many times can I say in one video? Air Jordan 1 women's UNC to Chicago releasing this weekend, All-Star weekend. I'm gonna try to get this up on Friday. So the video's up before the release. Early access is great. Love that for me. Yeah, I did have exclusive early access to buy these, which is why I got them early. Again, exclusive. It wasn't available for everyone, but they come out general release February 15th. Sneakers app, other platforms. Do your own research. You have a day. This will be up on Friday. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other sneaker videos you want to see from me. If this goes up on Friday, this is the debut of my blonde hair on YouTube. Not really blonde, like a honey brown, chestnut, platinum some places. Anyways, it's a debut of my new hair on my channel. Do you like it? Kind of love it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, comment down below. Also comment down below if you cop or if you got an L. I don't know, share your stories on buying sneakers. I know it's not always easy. It's not always fun. It's fun when you get them. It's not fun when you don't get them. But yeah, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Sunday, even though this might be an exception. But yeah, hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload. There might be some surprise uploads for different sneakers. Right? Yeah. Anyways, rambling. If you like this video, if you like me, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and link all my social media down below. I link my Mercari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Yeah, welcome to the video. Anyways, the one UNC to